In this video, we are going to see do while loop in the iterative statements. So first, I want to clear the syntax of do while loop. So before starting this do while loop, my advice is you first watch that while loop. So at very first, we are going to see the do while loop syntax. So at very first, you need to give do here. After that, you need to use this curly braces. You use curly braces like this. After end of the curly braces, you need to give while statement. Again, you need to give this type of brackets. Again, you need to end this do while. Inside these brackets, you need to give the condition. So here, same thing like you need to give any one of this increment or decrement. So this is the syntax of the do while. What is the advantages that are more than the while loop means? Here at this do while, here if here the condition is false, then also it is going to execute one time. So it is performing the single number of iteration. So remember this point. If the condition also false, it is going to execute one time. So for this to clear better, I am considering an example, small example, like I am taking int. Suppose I am giving like than 1. Here I want to do like printf hello. So you can see here if the int is greater than 1, so you need to print hello statement. So here I am giving like int equals to 0. So 0 is not greater than 1. So means the condition is false. You can check out the output. It is going to execute only one time. So if I run the program, see something is missing in this. Oh sorry, here f is missing. Then if I run the program, you can check out there. The hello is printing one time. I want to print this hello for 5 times. Here I'm giving like let int is equals to something 1. Here I am giving for int less than or equals to something number 5. Here I am incrementing this into variable int plus plus. Then if I run the program, you can check out the output. The hello is printing for 5 times. See here the hello is printing the 5 times. So I think you have cleared the syntax and this basic example of do while and the advantages that are more than the while loop. I have think you have cleared this all this thing. Let us make a small example program. Create a program to find factorial of given number. So what we need to do, we need to find factorial of the given number. What is meant by factorial? Here I will show the logic of the factorial. Suppose you have number like something 5. Let us take a number like something 5. Then the factorial means it is doing like 5 and 5 minus 1 4 into 5 minus 1 4, again 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. So like this, if any number is there, then factorial means the number is multiplying up to 1 or 2. You can take here 1 or 2, there is no effect. So up to the 2 or 1, it is subtracting by 1 and multiplying to that number. So that is mean by factorial. I think you all know this factorial. What is mean by factorial? The program to find the factorial. Let's start it. So for this purpose I am taking two variables like int. I'm assigning the fact value as like 1. Now printf, I'm advising user like enter any number to perform factorial operation. Again, I'm scanning that number into the this number variable. What we discussed, the syntax of do while is like this. Do, again we need to give this curly braces. And after this, we need to give while loop. In this brackets, we need to give condition. Here, any one of the operation we need to perform like increment or decrement. So this is the syntax of do while. Now here I'm giving, so up to 2 the multiplication is going on, like if the number, see every time I'm decreasing the number, so whatever the number is given, suppose if the number is given like 5, every time I'm decreasing that 5, so up to where, up to I'm decreasing the number to 2. So here I'm removing this and I'm writing here like I'm decreasing the number means num minus minus, so I'm decreasing the number by 1. Number is greater than 1, so when the num variable is greater than 1, then I want to stop this do while. So I think up to here you are clear. Again we need to use this fact variable, like I'm using this fact as I'm assigning using assignment operator, fact multiplication assignment of the num. So this is nothing but I will show that when fact is equals to fact into the, every time the value of the fact is going to change, means it finally after this I want to print the value of fact, like factorial of given number I want to indicate like this. Here I am printing the value of the fact variable. You can see here I want to print in the next line, so here I am using next line print, next line statement. So if I run the program, enter any number to perform factorial operation. Similarly I am using the number as 5 when I am pressing enter. So you can see here factorial of a given number is 120. So it is correct or not, you can see here 5 into 4 20, 23 is a 60, 62 is a 120. It is performing the tasks very successfully. So this is all about the do while loop. So don't forget to watch the next video of for loop. So thank you for the watching. If you really like the video, like my video and subscribe to my channel. If any suggestions is there, keep in the comment box.